Is that we are all
County Access and Feeder Roads, Honorable Patrick Chamba.
Honorable Chamba, proceed.
The line of underground water pipes across the county is done in accordance with the prescribed recent activities. With 3 months from the adoption of this,
about 3 feet caravat, or else we need a big caravat to actually we can get flow water. Caravat to date in my area, there are not caravat that's been delivered. People are just.
Turona ni wega twiketa Senate no kamiti-ini mari participate-aga maundu-ini mothe ona kuvoti no mari votaga maundu-ini mothe na ona lobbying ya maundu maria mothe mangika gutiri undu matangika no issue egi kuvote on issues on money iria iragairwo resources iria irathie in the ward level.
We need to change the standing orders and make laws for posterity, but not to amend the standing orders in a manner that suggests or in a manner that suits a few people in this house, Mr. Speaker. When we say that I am not entitled to vote, Mr. Speaker, in this house, Jubilee Party knew that they are elected members in this house, Mr. Speaker.
this particular amendment goes a long way to clearly now define who should be able to cast a vote and who should be able to determine who becomes the leader of majority and the leader of minority, Mr. Speaker.
Article 27 ya gatiba yugaga atiriri gutire hende mundu ona omwe agakorwo discriminated on matters of whether you are a woman, whether you are a youth, kana ni ura represent any marginalized group.